Have you noticed that doorknobs are always as far as possible from the hinges? Well, physics can explain that. Let's find out how.
Alors, raconte-moi. That's it! The theory of relativity, E equals mc squared.
What is the reason for this? In a word, torque. But what is torque? Well, we hear this word all the time, even though very few people really know what it means. And it is everywhere around us.
What would happen if you were to take away 30 horsepower from the Ram 1500, remove 27 foot-pounds of torque, and subtract 40,000 miles off its powertrain limited warranty? Well, you'd end up with a Ford F-150.
Oh, snap! But with all due respect to the macho truck war, torque is more than a good feature or a marketing tool for your pickup. It is actually part of everyday life for all of us. The best example is simple mechanical advantage, which we all use without even thinking about it throughout our day.
Take those two screwdrivers. What is the difference between them? They're both Phillips, they're both the same brand. Only this one reaches farther than the other. Well, it doesn't only reach farther. It gives whoever is using it more of that all-important torque. It was Archimedes who was among the first to talk about this principle in his work on levers. And it may seem simple now, but it was in fact revolutionary. Let me show you how it works. So here I have a wood plank, and I'm going to use this item as a fulcrum. And here I have this heavy, shiny rock. So let me place that. This heavy rock now, thanks to Archimedes, is going to be much easier to lift.
This, of course, can be calculated with a kind of simple equation. Torque T equals the cross product between the distance vector r and the force vector F. In short, distance reduces the force required to move something, anything. This brings us back to our door question. So why is the best place for doorknobs on the opposite side of its hinges? The answer is now obvious. It maximizes our torque. And that makes life just a little bit easier.